Hello guys, welcome to Adobe Photoshop 2025 and welcome to another most important project in Photoshop, how to move the object with the shadow, how to move this shoe with shadow to another image. So let's start. Take a look guys. This is our background and now I need to move these shoes to this background with the shadow. It's very technical. Select, move the all image of the shoes to the background, change the size, and next go to select the subject. Don't do this like this. Select the eraser, erase the white colors. Don't do this, or don't do this. Go to mode, select the multiply. So it's a technical. You must work like a professional. First you must select the subject. After subject selection, click on mask. This is the background and there is the layer. Click on mask. So, and now we have another different layer. This is the layer of the shoes and this is the mask of this layer. So I need to create a duplicate from this layer because of the shadow. Like what? Select Ctrl plus J or go to layer, take a look, new layer, copy. When you select the first layer and select the mask, go to image adjustment, select invert. It means now you have two layers. The first layer is for shoes, the second layer is for the background. And now it means I need to select the layer of the background, change the mode to multiply. You can see the shoes is shadow. Turn off, you can see the shadow. Turn off this one. So if you need to control the shadow, select the first layer of the shadow, go to adjustment mask and control labels. When you select the label, when you control the label, it will apply on all layers. So my target is just for the shadow. I don't want to use label for all the layers. How to do this? Turn on the isolate system, turn on, and now you can apply only on shadow like this. Okay guys, and now you can see this layer is the background, this layer is for the shoe, and this layer is for shadow, and this layer is for label, mask, adjustment. So let's go to another example. I need to delete these all layers. Go back to close the shoes. Go to for this car. Select the car and drag and drop here. Set the car here. So I need to use this car is shadow. First, you must go to select subject and next directly click on mask, and now you can see the car here. So where is the shadow layer? You can do the shoes technique on this project. select again the layer and go to layer, new layer copy. So this layer is for the car. I need to change this layer from car to background. Select the first one and select the mask. Press Ctrl I or go to adjustment, mask, and select invert. And now you can see invert here. Select the mask, turn on this one. So if you need to change, Ctrl Z, you can apply the invert adjustment on the mask. You must select the mask directly. You must change from image, select invert. It means you have one layer for the background and one layer for the car. Select the car layer and change to multiply. You can see the shadow of the car. So how to remove the white layers? Zoom in and select magic wand, hold shift, hold shift, hold shift, and hold shift. Ctrl Z, let's press delete these layers. Or another way, select, go to layer, select layer cut. Select this layer and change the opacity like this. It looks like a glass. Okay guys, and now if you need to apply the match color to looks more realistic, select the car layer, just select the car layer and go to image, adjustment, select the match color, select that background, select the background and control brown hair. Not bad. Neutralize. Click OK. And now you can see the car with layer and with color match. So you can save this image by going to File, select Save a Copy. Let's go to another example. So this is just the car without shadow, and close this image and go to File, Revert. Select the car, just move, drag and drop here, set the car right there. And change the size a little bit more down, sit here. And now you must go to Select, click on Apply for the scale, go to Select, Subject. After selection the subject, zoom in, select the another parts by Object Selection. Change the size of the selection by pressing open bracket on keyboard, Hold Shift, Hold Shift. Let's select the details like this. and zoom out. Okay, and now click on mask. Just you can see the layer with mask. So how to create the shadow for the car? Select the layer, drag and drop there, and right click the bottom one, go to blending option. So turn on the shadow, the first option. The next one, you must turn on the color overlay. Select the shadow from the background. Let's see where is shadow from background. Select, click OK, and now click OK. You can see the shadow layer of the car. Move by arrow key. Here you can see. Right click again, go to blending option, and you can turn on, select the color from here. Click OK, change normal, and move the shadow down directly and set spread, distance, set the shadow bottom and change to normal, change the opacity into 100, make more darker, click OK, control the size, move a little bit up, and click OK. So now you can see the car with the shadow. So you can apply color merge on this image too. Go back to adjustment, select match color, select the layer, select the background, and make a little bit brighter. Click OK. Turn on neutralize. OK. Here is the result, the third sample. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This was about how to move image with original shadow to make for brand designs. A good time, good luck, all of you.